So we're going to go over here to this button in our layer pane, create a new layer. Now we're going to use our rectangular marquee tool to create an area to insert our text. So we'll draw our rectangle, click and drag, release. At this point you want to click Edit, Fill Selection. We do want to fill it with the solid color. Most people usually end up using white or black as a background. For today, I'm actually going to use a black background. So click OK, click OK. And as you can see, that area on the bottom of the picture is now black. And now, what we want to do is create another new layer, and we want to add some text. So we'll come over here and we'll select where we want to begin putting our text. We want it on the left side. Down here we can select our options for the text and the font. I kind of like it as Calibri, so we're going to keep it like that. Bold italic, let's just see how it looks. Type it in there, and that kind of gives you a rough idea of what it's going to look like. So for today's text, we're going to type in when your friends don't know about the Jessamine County. Now if you look here, we're going to run out of room. So what we need to do is either make, well honestly for this project, the best option is going to be to make the font a little bit smaller. Public library, and we're actually going to highlight all that again and make it just one hair smaller, and then click check. And now we can move that how we need to. It's more or less centered on the picture, and then there you have it. You have a meme, but we are going to take this one step further, and we're actually going to create an effect on this picture. So just to kind of, emphasize that she is angry, let's make this half of the picture red. So what we want to do is go back to the rectangular marquee tool, and we're just going to draw that part of the meme. And make sure we don't get any of that white space or the box below. Release. We're going to click this kind of half-filled circle up here. And then from the drop-down menu, we're going to select Levels. In this new pop-up, we're going to select Red, and then we're just going to change the level just a little bit more. So now you can tell, like, oh, she's really angry. You're really angry because your friends don't know about the Jessamine County Public Library. Close it out. And now your meme is finished. However, one last thing you're going to need to do is File, and you want to click Save for Web. You don't want to click Save or Save As. That's simply saving the project. Save for Web. You want to make sure this is on JPEG. You don't want it to be on GIF or anything like that. JPEG is probably going to be your best option. You want your quality to be maximum. After that, you want to click Save. Name it. PS Practice works good for me. Click Save, and then you're free to share it to the world. Thank you for tuning in for this episode of Maker Monday with JCPL. My name is Austin.
Click the like button, subscribe to our channel below, and don't forget to ring that bell in order to get reminders when we have new videos for you to watch.